Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a beautifully maintained investment townhouse complex for sale. It is located in the quiet upscale community of Cardiff Hall in Runaway Bay, St. Anne. It offers 8 large 2-bedroom townhouses in a secure complex. Each townhouse also has 2 bathrooms upstairs and a powder room on the lower level, along with an open plan living and dining room, along with a kitchen. There is also a laundry room in each unit and a private fenced backyard. There is also a gazebo and an office in the complex as well. The units are currently rented and will also provide a steady income stream for the savvy investor. The land area of this townhouse is approximately 34,848 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this investment property, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is US 2.2 million or Jamaican $338.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.